Hello students, welcome back to your channel Art of Mathematica. See students, today we are going to do question number 3, that is worksheet 4 chapter 10, definitely class 7. So construct a right triangle ABC in which AB equals to 5.8 centimeter, BC equals to 4.5 centimeter and angle C equals to 90 degree. So at C we have to construct a 90 degree angle. So before doing this, let me show you that the rough work. See it once that you can understand well. So if it is a right angle triangle, no, so this should be C, this is C, okay, and this is 90 degree. So here it is told AB equals to, so if I'll take, suppose this is A, this is B, that means hypotenuse equals to 5.8 centimeter, that I have drawn here, you can see, and BC, that means this one is 4.5 centimeter. So I think you can get the idea. From there I am going to construct it. Now we have to draw a ray, so let me do it. So here it is a ray, let me draw a ray. Okay, now construct 90 degree angle. So I need a compass, you can see that. So draw 90 degree angle. So here it is 90 degree. So from this point, you know, I think you all know how to draw a 90 degree angle. So first cut an arc. Now from this point means here, from there, yes, this is the point, cut another arc. Okay, now from there, okay, wait, from there let me cut another arc, that should be intersect this arc. Okay, now one more arc I have to measure, or I have to cut, that is this. Now I have to join it. So whenever you are joining this, no, you will get the right angle actually. So here it is the ray I have taken. So from this point join and extend. Okay, this is our 90 degree. So you know that C, angle C is 90 degree, means this is C. Okay, this is C. Now I have to cut 4 point, first it is better to yes, BC. So from here it is C. So in the base you can see that 4.5 I have taken. So from there 4.5 centimeter I have to measure. Can you see that? Here it is 4.5 centimeter. So put it and cut it. Okay, so that I am taking. So from the point C I have to cut it, that is B, that definitely it should be B. Why it is B? Because I have taken here 4.5 centimeter, no, so that is CB, 4.5 centimeter. Now from the point B you can see it is 5.8, no, so from the point B I have to cut on this line A, so that is 5.8 centimeter. So here it is, first measure 5.8 centimeter. Here it is. Now you can see if I cut it, it is like this. Now 5.8 centimeter let me cut. Put the compass and put the center of the compass at B. And cut it. Here it is, this is A. Okay, I think you all understood now. This is A. Okay, now A and B we have to join. You have to join with the help of scale, but I have the line, I have this digital compass, so I can do it directly, but this one you have to do by joining, using the scale you have to join. Okay, like this, using the scale you have to put the scale like at the point A and B, and you have to join. I think you all understood. Every time I say this thing, so this is nothing new. So student, I hope this is clear, and this is our required triangle. So I can write over there, therefore triangle ABC is the required right triangle. So that's it for today. I hope you all understood. So in my next video I am going to do question number 4, and let me tell you one thing. The question number 4 is the very important question, and there is some different technique over there. So whenever I am going to do the question number 4, I'll explain everything. Don't worry. So tab tak ke liye all of you take care and goodbye.